Alright folks, how's it going? It's me Leo, and today's video I'm going to do an unwrapping of a vintage video cassette from the 1970s. Format wise it's neither VHS nor beta, and it's not even V2000. It's a format by Philips that first hit the market in 1972 for their N1500 series VCRs. I originally bought it off eBay, I think over a year ago, maybe even close to 2 years ago, for a video I've yet to make, but I'm still planning on doing so. But anyhow, today I'm just going to unwrap the cassette, so without further diddly do, let's get into the unwrapping. Okay, so here we have the front of the cassette. This is BASF branded. Their logo hasn't really changed. Of course, here it says VCR, which was the name of the format Philips creatively came up. That hit the market in 1972. Then they brought out VCR long play in 1974, which increased the recording length. Super Video I've genuinely never heard of in my entire life. Then of course here we've got the tape length. It's 601 meters, which would explain why there's quite a bit of heft to this cassette. There's the spine. It's made in Germany. In the back we've got a table here with the various different recording times. This of course is an LVC 150 tape, which in a VCR recorder gets 70 minutes. Long play recorder gets 152 minutes. It's quite a big increase. And Super Video machine would get us 253 minutes. Interestingly, if you look at the biggest tape size you get, LVC 180, there's no recording time for regular VCR machines, and that's because the tape it used was much thinner and unsuitable for being used at the higher speed that the original VCR machines would use. And there we've got the address. I don't know if that's the factory or just the company headquarters, and interestingly it specifies West Germany, which kind of shows you the age of this. Because it mentions long play, that means it's not from earlier than 1974. I've no idea when Super Video hit the market. Right, in this end there's nothing, round a bit there, nothing there. It says push because it has presumably has a locking mechanism. So this has been sealed for over 40 years, so we're going to open it up. No knife required. Oh, this is a textured finish. Now, I didn't specifically go on eBay for a mint copy, but I seen it and it was a very reasonable price. I thought, what the hell, make for some interesting content. There we go. Factory fresh. Let's have a look inside. Ooh, that's a chunky boy. Okay, so on the inside it has a reversible cover. Take this out. Oh, that's funky smelling. I couldn't even describe that. Maybe like crayons you used to have at school has that kind of smell. But yeah, you can certainly turn this inside out and write on there what's on the tape. Back in there. Let's move the box over there. Well, that's the front of the cassette. Now at first glance it does look like there's only one reel, like in a 8-track, but no, it's a coaxial cassette. That means this here's the take-up spool. As you can tell, there's no tape in it, and the spool that feeds the tapes on the bottom. Let's see, what's this say? To be removed. Oh, this is some sort of like transportation lock to stop the tape from unspooling itself. Of course, both VHS and beta have a locking mechanism built into the cassette, so this is a little unnecessary. Open this. Ah, alright. VHS, there was a little, oh, it just pings open that there, you can see tape moves diagonally through here. Width wise, is that 1/2 inch? Kind of looks like 1/4 inch. Hang on, let me get a tape measure. Let's see. It would help if I had a tape measure that wasn't broken right at the end there, but it's oh, it is 1/2 inch. Oh well. There you go. I love this mechanism. I'm way too easily amused. This doesn't look like a date code. I don't see anything on there that could be a year. Maybe it's just batch number and what have you. But, oh well, oh, what's this? Ah, okay. Maybe this slides back when it's pulling the tape out. That's interesting. But there you have it. That is a VCR cassette. Fresh, brand new, from the 1970s. Oh, and I forgot to mention that, yeah, it's got the record time there, and it's also got boxes you can tick here. You can tick PAL, SACAM, black and white colour, VCR, long play, super video, so you know what machine it's going to work in. But there you go, that is the conclusion of the unwrapping of the vintage video cassette. If you have any thoughts, the comment section as always is open down below, and I'd like to thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you all later.